Hi everyone, hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'm going to share with you what you can do when your Bluetooth is not working in your device G6 Lite 5G. So if your Bluetooth is not working in your device G6 Lite 5G, you can fix this problem by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you're the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix any problem related to your Bluetooth in your device.